An Abuja Upper Area Court has issued an order for substituted service of criminal summons on 7 top executives of Shell Petroleum Development Company Limited due to the inability of the Court Bailiff to serve them with criminal summons. This order was sequel to an application by Counsel to the Complainant in the suit Africa Initiative Against Abuse of Public Trust, informing the court that while the bailiff of the court had effectively served the company sued as the first defendant, the other 7 defendants, who are all top executives of Shell, were nowhere to be found to be served personally. Hence, the application to court under Section 124 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act 2015 for an order of substituted service by pasting at their office number. The complainant had alleged that by the use of an unapproved metering system, Shell had wrongfully converted and unlawfully appropriated over 16 million barrels of crude oil belonging to some Indigenous Oil Companies. Though Shell admits it is just about 2 million barrels, the NGO therefore complained to the court seeking imprisonment of the officials for the act of conspiracy, theft, and cheating. The offences jointly carry a maximum of over 10 years in prison if convicted.
The first defendant, being Shell, has been served, but the second to the 8th defendant has not been served. So we are now applying in accordance with the provisions of AJA for substituted service, which was granted. The court granted that our application that the second to the 8th defendant should be served by substituted means by pasting it at their last known address at Constitutional Avenue here in Abuja. And the matter is adjourned to 23rd day of March for hearing.
The court had last week issued a criminal summons against the officials of Shell and scheduled hearing for today, but the Shell executive did not appear in court. Speaking to journalists after the sitting, Counsel to the complainant, Chibuzo Ezike, said if by the 23rd of March Shell executive did not appear after pasting of the summons at their offices, he would have no option but to apply for a bench warrant against the defendant so that the police can arrest them and bring them to court. Oluwatobi Eniton reporting for Viable TV.